What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of GMS Racing. It's a Monday. We're just getting to the shop. Ari up front. We got John on his RedBull.
Morning coffee.
On his morning coffee.
Bullet.
Look at the guys getting ready to go out with GCC. Getting to GMS. Your home should be here. We have a BMW G80 pulling up to the shop here in a little while. We're going to be doing some stuff on. You home?
You know, doing his morning rituals.
I'm cleaning the bathroom.
Oh. Good work, you know? So he should be pulling up in a couple hours. We're going to be getting the ECU off, doing some downpipes on it, getting unlocked and making some power. As you guys know, that's going to be another platform we'll be pursuing is the G80, G82, M2, M3, M4 with this S58. So we'll be doing that. But what do you think, guys?
I'm stoked. Oh, it's going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait to do it.
We're doing a tune?
Yeah, tune and downpipes.
Tune and downpipes. Okay.
Just some basic numbers on stock, and then we're gonna run it stage 1 and do downpipes on it. So we're excited to do that. So he should be here in a couple hours. So we'll record him getting the car off the trailer and we'll go from there. All right, guys. As you guys saw in Gustavo's video, we had the port match on the manifold wasn't port match with the gasket, the OEM gasket. So now we have revised that problem with a bunch of new flanges cut out.
These look nicer too.
Dude, these look
I
really
changed
good.
the shape.
Sweet. So that fixes that. Moving on to some big power.
Real big power.
Some of the things we have up here is our tuner. We've changed things up. We're using BM3 for all our BMW stuff now, so we can offer the Ethernet cable and the OBD2 to Ethernet. Our GTR titanium intakes with our GMS filters and the branded boots. We use all Turbo Smart stuff, so we'll have Turbo Smart wastegates, blow valves, AEM. That's actually a boost controller and a boost gauge in one electronic boost gauge. We are Garrett dealers, so we run, this is actually a G30 660 small turbos near our expansion tank for our GTR and some other Supra stuff, valve cover. We use a lot of vibrant stuff, so I don't know, visit us. Like we're putting more stuff on our website, but we can be your go-to guys. We'll put what's in stock and what isn't. That way you guys can come straight to us. But a lot of the stuff, like I said, ships same day, and we can ship all over. So hit us up. Checking out the reels, huh?
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Hey, that's facts. That's facts. That being said, don't miss our videos. You know what I mean? You guys might be missing something. We get some food, dude. I'm starving.
I'm starving. We're gonna take
As soon as it gets here and we unload, we gotta get some food. We're gonna hit our local San Hollow spot, not too far up, just in the Red Mountains. Take that car out for a little cruise, maybe do a few pictures. Jeez.
I said, hey, you cool being on camera? He's like, yeah, bro.
Say no more. What's up, brother? Pull in right here, yep. G82's here to get some stuff done. Made the GMS.
Waiting up already?
Right off the lot.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
Roberto. Nick, nice to meet you.
What's up, man? John.
John?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. Nelson.
That's Nelson right there. What's up, man? John.
TK.
Nice to meet you, TK.
How's the trip? Probably about close to 6. Like, I got work tomorrow.
Sheesh. Damn. Turn around.
It's got like 2,000 miles ready for some work. Well, let's get it unloaded and go get some food. And you guys can, yeah. You guys got a restaurant?
Yeah, absolutely.
This is it, guys. This is the start to our G80 platform. He's here from California. He's gonna let us get the car, our downpipe on the car, and get it tuned, make some power, and a lot bigger things coming. So it's gonna get opportunities to do it all while it's here. This front grill's sick.
Look at that.
Dude, that's a tight fit.
It is. Very Everybody watch the corner.
Ooh, I'd take my shoes off if I were you. Gotta take the Air Force Ones off, you know what I mean? Even those gotta come off sometimes. Sheesh. Yeah, dang.
All right, guys, we have the G80 in the shop. Nick just pulled up a little while ago. We went to get something to eat, and he's gone. He's gonna leave the car with us. The ECU is getting pulled off and getting sent off to get unlocked. It's gonna be back. We're gonna put it on boot mod 3 and do our in-house downpipes with this ceramic coating. We'll show you guys those as soon as they're done and ready to go, and as they go on the car. But this is a beautiful spec. It's a competition X drive model. Our plans right now is, like I said, just do a tune, develop stage 1, stage 2 tuning on the car. We're familiar with the ECU and how it performs and acts with the car, so we're not too worried about how that works. We're excited to bring good numbers to it, but as of right now, like I said, we're gonna get this car parked, get the ECU torn off and sent off. We should have it back here pretty quick, along with the downpipe should be done and Cerakoted pretty quick as well. So we're excited to do this and have this. This would be another platform we're gonna specialize in, guys. As far as tuning and downpipes go right now, make sure you guys hit us up. The lead times are about 2 weeks between the unlock, tune, and downpipes getting to you guys. So keep that in mind. But you'll see that on our website available as soon as this car is done. So here pretty quick. What do you think of it, John? Sick, huh?
Yeah, it's really clean. I think once he's done with the full tune and downpipe, I think he's gonna be very excited.
Yeah, the car's sick. I know we have a lot of MK4 fans out there. Anybody that's an MK5 fan is an MK4 fan. We got the shop full today. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this episode of GMS Racing. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of good stuff coming on this next episode. We'll have the downpipes on the G80. We'll have the ECU back and unlocked, so we can have do some power tunes on that. And also we have something special that showed up yesterday. We're just gonna show you a quick sneak peek of what it is, but all I gotta say is 6. That's all I gotta say. So stay tuned, we got something coming for you guys. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check our website for any merch you guys want, and we'll see you next time. Peace.